In this segment of the e-learning tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to provide feedback via video for student assignments. So we have this assignment and now we want to grade it. So we go down and click on View All Submissions. And now we want to go to this particular paper from the Cairn student. Click on Grade. And in addition to the built-in grading here on the left-hand side, the instructors can use video feedback as well. And to do that, we click on the additional tools here on the toolbar and then select Record Video. At this point, the system is going to prompt you to allow the camera and the microphone. If it does on the left, you'll click to allow them and then start recording, and then provide the student feedback via video. Then here we click on Stop Recording, then click on Attach Recording, and then your video feedback will be posted directly as part of this graded assignment. Then press Save Changes,